we're gonna do blackened hazelnuts. Now, here's the thing. There's a section in this book that says you have to get fresh farmed, which is kind of ridiculous. It mentions that you lose all the moisture because it's, drying out in facilities. Well, why don't we just recreate it? Come on, give it some moisture back. So we're going to be running an experiment. We're going to be putting it in for each hour, and then we'll find out the percentage. So then we can figure out what is the percentage absorbed and where does it blacken correctly so it doesn't go rancid. And set a timer for each one of them to see how much it absorbs. So we're going to do 1 hour increments of a controlled environment. Alexa, set a timer for 1 hour. To get an accurate reading, usually you would use a microscale. But I don't know where my microscale is.
I'm in the market, as it were.
So I can't get an accurate reading of how much absorption is intaked in the hazelnut. So yeah.